Data pipelines break when an upstream schema changes, and a human investigates the error, dig up the schema, and rewrite the SQL by hand. DAGtor does that loop itself. It builds your pipelines from a sentence, then heals them, grounded in DataHub's metadata. Describe a pipeline in plain English. DAGtor asks DataHub for the schema of the tables it needs, then generates the whole DAG. 2 loads, a join, an aggregation, a filter. Nothing has run yet. This is a grounded plan. 1 button deploys it and runs it. Live SQL over the real DataHub sample. 150,000 orders, joined, aggregated, filtered to the top segments by country. Along the bottom, you've got the agent's live console, a running trace of everything it does, and the per stage results table, which both fill in the moment it runs. And notice it masked the customer email with SHA 256 without being asked, because DataHub tags that column as PII. Now let's break it on purpose. I'll arm 2 real failures on the deployed pipeline. First failure, a missing column. DAGtor doesn't guess from the error string. It queries the DataHub metadata graph over MCP, sees that the real column is email, and that DataHub tags it PII. That changes the fix. It's not a plain rename. It's a governance repair. Restore the column and keep it masked. It rewrote the SQL, reran the stage, and moved on. No human. Second failure is different. A join lost its predicate, which would ask for billions of rows. The guardrail refuses it, so the agent walks the lineage, pulls both input schemas from DataHub, sees customer ID on each, and escalates to LLM. With that evidence instead of guessing, LLM restores the join and the pipeline finishes. And DAGtor learns. Both fixes are now in its experience store. Same failures again, and this time there's no DataHub round trip and no model call. It recognizes the signatures and applies what it already knows, instantly. That's an agent that accumulates operational knowledge. Under the hood, it's one process. An orchestrator that talks to model and to DataHub over MCP runs real SQL, SQLite locally, PostgreSQL in production, and writes every validated fix to its experience store. DAGtor builds your data pipelines, heals them against DataHub's metadata, and remembers every fix. Thanks for watching.